Compositions of blood. Blood consists of two main portions, the blood cells, which is called the formed element, and the liquid portion known as the plasma. The blood cells are of three types: the red blood cells, or we call it erythrocytes, the white blood cells or leukocytes, and the blood platelets or thrombocytes. The plasma portion of blood consists of mainly water, making about 92 to 93% of the plasma, and solids making 7 to 8%. The solid consists of organic substance and inorganic substance. And the organic substances are the plasma proteins, the enzymes, amino acid, and antibiotics, while the inorganic substances are the sodium, chloride, potassium, calcium, iron, and bicarbonates, etc. Blood plays an important role in our body, right from the transport function, excretory function, nutritive function, regulatory function, to defensive function. For simplicity, here is an acronym for the functions of blood I told you about. The acronym is 10RD. The T in 10RD stands for transport function, E stands for excretory function, N stands for nutritive function, R stands for regulatory function, and D stands for defensive function. Transport function of blood. Blood transport hormones from where they are secreted to their target organs or tissues. Excretory function. Blood removes waste products of metabolism formed in tissues and carried them to the excretory organs like kidney, skin, etc. for excretion. Nutritive function. Nutritive substances like glucose, amino acids, and vitamins, after being absorbed from gastrointestinal tract, are carried by blood to different parts of the body for growth and production of energy. Regulatory function. Blood is responsible for regulation of body temperature, water, and acid-base balance. Defensive function. Blood plays an important role in the defense of the body. The type of blood cells responsible for this function are the white blood cells, such as the neutrophils and monocytes, which engulf bacteria or foreign body by phagocytosis. That is, engulfing the bacteria or any foreign body and destroy them. Please like this video, consider subscribing to the channel if you are new here, and I will see you in the next video.